This is your tutorial for rectangle. This skill can be accomplished on both rope and fabric, though it's a little bit easier on rope because you have the grippiness of the rope to help you, because there's a lot of grip required for this skill. I'm squatting down, I'm going to extend my left leg, pushing my right leg out, and I'm creating a sideways rectangle within the rope. This again is very intense on the top hand. I typically prefer my dominant hand up, though you should always train both sides. I'm in a classic wrap and I'm going to squat down and I'm going to grab on the outside of my left leg. So I'm reaching down, I'm going to extend that arm out, gathering enough slack that my arms can be straight across. My left leg's pushing out and I'm unwrapping the right leg to push and I'm elevating my hips up. Now make sure you're not piked here or arch. You want to be as flat as possible. To get out, I'm going to bend my right knee, keeping the tension with my left hand. This is crucial. I'm going to rewrap the right leg. My left foot's going to stand on my right leg, relieving the tension from my left hand, and now I'm back and safe within my wrap. Let's watch it one more time. I'm squatting down. Now, key things to remember: engage your top shoulder, make sure that the slack, you're holding it super tight with the bottom hand, extending your arms out. Now here, make sure the left hand is tight. You don't want to lose it. Wrap, and I'm sliding my right foot down. The weight is again in my feet, and I've done my rectangle.